What's up, you guys? Kia here. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a tutorial for you guys on this braided wig that I created. I'm so proud of myself. Because y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I was about to give up on this thing. I was like, look, you're not getting it. I'm gonna say fuck it. But you know, I had stuck in there. I figured it out. I am gonna be giving you guys all the details and telling you guys everything and showing you everything that I've done and did to this unit. And I don't have a frontal, you guys. I did all of this by myself. It's not perfect, but I'm still proud of myself. The next time I make it, it is gonna be perfect. But you know, this is just, you know, a trial run. She's still cute though. And I had to do the ombre. So, and if you guys want to learn how to make your own braided wig, then you guys should continue to watch. So you guys, I'm using this cap right here. I got this cap off of eBay. If you guys would like to use this particular cap, I will link it down below. But I think the next time that I make a braided wig, I will use another kind of wig cap, probably a black one. That's just my preference, but you guys can use what you want. So I'm just gonna put the cap on to adjust the size and see how it's fitting on my head, and then I line it up to my hairline to make sure that it's lined properly, and then I take this white eyeliner to create the part that I want to have for my braids. And right here I'm showing you guys that I used extra lace because the lace wasn't going back far enough. So I already started on part of the front that I wanted to do. So I have the curved part here, and what I did was crochet the hair into the net, and I'm going to go show you guys like an overall on how I do it, but I just want to show you guys the part that I did. So this is what I'm at right now with the front of the wig, and I just thought it'd be easier for me to mark where I need to add certain parting or crochet the hair in for each part, for each braid. So right now this is what it's looking like in the front. I hope you guys can see. And again, I just pinned them down to keep them in place, and I am crocheting most of it in right now because I was going to come back, braid them in, and then come back and add more hair, but I feel like this will be faster for me because I actually really want to just get this done in the front, because this is mostly the longest part of this process I see now. And I'm just going to go back and add a few where I need to. This is where I marked where I need to go back and add, but pretty much this is what it's looking like in the front. So you guys, this is how I crochet the hair in. I took a smaller crochet hook. If you guys want this smaller crochet hook, I will link it down below again. And I just have to let y'all know everything is down there. But I just took the hook and I made sure I carefully grabbed some holes in the lace, and I made sure really carefully put it through the lace. Then I took some hair and I looped it on the crochet hook, and I looped it through and everything. And then I'm gonna show you guys again how I did it again. And the best tip I can say, you guys, make sure you crochet away from yourself to create the part you want, so it can be flush against the cap, the lace, because we don't want some of the lace showing through, and we want it to lay flat. So this is how I started my feed-in braids. I took a piece of hair that I sectioned off already to create my feed-in braids. So I take a smaller piece and I split my crochet piece in half, and I'm going to lay my smaller piece in the center of it, and I'm going to create a knot. I'm going to tie it again one more time to make sure it's secure, and I make sure everything is aligned. And then I gather those two pieces that I tied down, and I'm going to start my braid. When I start my braid, I braided like 3 times, and I took one of those pins to help keep it secure down on the lace. And I'm going to show you guys how I started the feed in, because again, this is how I taught myself. I had to look at a couple of videos a couple of times to figure it out, but this helped me. So I got the thinnest part to my left or my right side, And then I took some hair, I put it behind my finger that I'm working, my hand that I'm working on, and then I started the braid. Again, every time I get the thinnest side to my left or my right, that's when I add hair, and I put it behind my hand, and then I started to braid. When you're doing these smaller size, when you're doing them bigger, I think you should go smallest to biggest, but with these particular small ones, keep the sections really small. You guys, this is how I sewn everything down. I took my needle and thread. I'm going to go under the cap and make sure you tie the end so it won't go through. And when I went under, I brought it through, and then I just started to go up and over. I can't really explain it. I hope you guys can really see in the video what I'm doing, and that's how I individually sewn everything down. Off camera, I went around the braided wig to secure the braids down, and then I went back individually braiding down the braids. I mean, sewing down the braids. I cannot talk today. And I made sure that I'm touching the styrofoam. Like, this is wonderful. If you have a styrofoam head, this is good. And you guys, I made individual braids off camera, and I sewn them in off camera. I felt like that was pretty redundant. I didn't feel like you guys would want to see that, so I kind of left that out, but it's pretty much the same. I made individual braids, and I just sewn them in. And you guys, I am trying this on for the first time since I added the other pieces in the back. So yeah, let's put this on and see how it's looking. And I'm just examining it and seeing what else that I need to do, what I want to do. Do I like it? Do I don't like it? But yeah, overall, I'm pretty happy with this. You also can add baby hairs. You can do whatever you want to do to this unit. I don't want to prolong it, so I just was like, I'll come back and do all the things I need to do to it. But overall, I'm pretty happy with it. Okay, you guys, so I just cut the lace off and I just put it on. I cannot find my gel for some reason, so I can glue it down, which is unfortunate, but I did not want to prolong the video any longer. So we're gonna improvise right now. Y'all, please don't kill me for this, okay? I just got a bobby pin. I'm just gonna be pinning it down for right now. But of course, when you guys make your own, do not do that, you know? But this is what the wig looks like in the front. And so first off, I am completely proud of myself because y'all, this wig took me so long to do because I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't know where I wanted to go, the type of style I wanted to make, the size. I didn't even really consider the size of the braids. Oh,
and I only had limited size of like packs, so I was just like, oh my goodness. But I am really proud of myself. I like how it came out, and it is things I would do differently, and I am going to tell you guys what to do when you make your own. Okay, so first off, if you do this particular pattern, make sure you sew it all the way to the sides, all the way down. This is where I have the lace cut off, and I'm going to go back and actually take these from right here, because these are the individual braids here. The hair that I have going from right here, I'm going to sew this, make sure I'm in front, I'm going to sew it all the way down. So you guys, if you do that, make sure you do that. Sew it all the way down and then come under it and add hair in it. And also I'm going to do it on the other side, and you make sure that you have enough hair to do this, because I have to go back and fill in, most likely in the back and most likely under here under the sides. And again, make sure you have some glue or something, so you can like, or it's not glue, well, wig glue, or like the gel stuff, the hairspray stuff. Make sure you have some of that, but I can't find mine. I don't have any got to be glued, but I was going to use some gel, but I can't find it for some reason, so I'm stuck with like with it all the way off my head. You guys, I know that's not professional, but I just had to show you guys. I just had to show you guys this wig and how to do it, and I am proud of myself, and I do hope you guys like how it came out too. I am gonna do like a whole, like, you know, review, or not review, but you know, view around of my hair when I finish talking. I will, next time I will make my parting a little bit more tighter and a little bit more cleaner, but you know, like I said, it was my very first time actually like making this wig, so I just was like rocking and rolling with it. Y'all excuse my nails because I'm about to do them when I get done filming. So you guys remember to love, embrace, and celebrate who you are. And if I left anything out, you guys make sure you let me know down below. I will answer some questions, and I really hope you guys like this unit as much as I do. I'm so proud of myself. So proud of myself, and I'm going to be making some more. I'm going to make more, and I'm really excited about it. But yeah, if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It helps a lot. It helps a lot. And you guys, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you click the bell so you are notified every time I post a new video. And I think that's it. So I see you guys in my next video. Peace.